2014 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.